We are starting a new chapter, chapter number 10 for class 9th, Heron's formula. We will be doing this chapter according to new syllabus. So let us start. We all know that area of triangle, what we have learned in our earlier classes, is basically half into base into altitude. So if we know base and altitude, that means this is the base and this is altitude. If we know the base and the altitude, we can find the area of a triangle. But what if we don't know altitude? If we don't know the altitude, it will be very difficult for us to find out the area of the triangle. But what if we know the sides of the triangle, like this one, and this one, but we don't know the altitude? One way is to find the altitude and find the area of the triangle, and another way is given by mathematician Heron. He gave us the formula for area of triangle by using the sides of the triangle. If we know all the three sides of the triangle, we can find the area of triangle, and this formula is known as Heron's formula. According to this formula, area of triangle is equal to under root of s into bracket s minus a bracket s minus b bracket s minus c, where s is semi-perimeter, of triangle, a, b and c are sides of triangle. Okay, and to find s, what we will do, s is equal to semi-perimeter of a triangle. So perimeter of a triangle is a plus b plus c and divide by 2. So s will be a plus b plus c, the sum of all the sides, divide by 2. This is our semi-perimeter of a triangle. So to understand this formula better, what we'll do, we'll take an example of a triangle A, B, C. We'll take sides as 32 meter, 24 meter and 40 meter. We can take any of the sides as small a, small b and small c. Okay. So first of all, what we have to do, we'll name it as a equal to 32, b equal to 24 and c equal to 40 meter. Okay, first we'll find s. S is equal to sum of all the sides, that means 32 plus 40 plus 24 divided by 2 is equal to 98, divided by 2 is equal to 96 divided by 2 is equal to 48 meter. S minus a, s minus b and s minus c. S minus a is equal to 48 minus 32, 48 minus 24, 48 minus 40. 48 minus 32 is 16 meter, 48 minus 24 is 24 meter, 48 minus 40 is 8 meter. So when we put it in the Heron's formula, what we get here is 48 into 16 into 24 into 8. Now when you want to factorize it, when we want to find the square root of this, we'll factorize all the terms. Like 48 is 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3 1, ठीक है, and similarly all others. It will be 2 to the power 4 into 3. 16 will be 2 to the power 4. 24 will be 2 to the power 3 into 3. And 8 will be 2 to the power 3. So we can see it is 2 to the power 40 into 3 to the power 2. When we want to find the square root, we already know that square root, when we find, we'll cancel it out the square root by 2 multiples. We can make it to the power 7 power 2 into 3 to the power 2. It will become 2 to the power 7 into 3 is equal to 384 meter square. So area of this triangle is 384 meter square. Okay. Similarly, take one more example of an equilateral triangle. This is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle has all the sides of same value. So it is 10, 10, 10. First of all, what we will do, we'll find S, which is 10 plus 10 plus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 15. Then what we will do, we'll find S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Since it is an equilateral triangle, all the values will be same. 15 minus 10 is equal to 5, 5 and 5. So area of triangle is equal to under root of 15 into 5 into 5 into 5. So area of triangle will be under root of 3 into 5, 5, 5 and 5. So it is 5 to the power 4 into 3. It is 5 square under root 3. That means 25 root 3. This is our area of triangle, equilateral triangle, centimeter square. Now if you want to verify this, how we can do this? To verify this, we already know the area of triangle is half base into altitude. We already know the base, it is 10. We need to find the altitude. For equilateral triangle, this altitude is bisect this base into two equal parts, that is 5 and 5, and this is 10. So this will become right angle triangle. Because it becomes right angle triangle, we can find it by Pythagoras theorem. We can find the perpendicular by Pythagoras theorem. It will become h square minus b square is equal to 100 or 10 square minus 5 square is equal to 100 minus 25 is equal to 75. So p square is equal to 75. So p equal to 5 root 3. So this is our altitude. Area of triangle is half into base into altitude. It is half into 10 into 5 root 3. 2 cut 5, it is 25 root 3. It is same as here, this one. So we can conclude that Heron's formula is verified. Let's do example number 1. What does example number 1 says? Find the area of triangle, two sides of which are 8 cm and 11 cm. What we have to do? We have to find an area of triangle. Two of the sides are 8 cm and 11 cm. and the perimeter of this triangle is 32. So first what we'll do, we'll find the third side. What will be the third side? We already know the perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of all sides. That means 32 is equal to 8 plus 11 plus, let us assume third side is equal to x. So x will be 32 minus 19. So it will become 13. So our third side will be 13. Okay. Again, now to put Hero's formula, we have to find S, that is semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is perimeter by 2. That means 32 upon 2. That means 16. Then we have to find S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. S minus A is 16 minus 8, 16 minus 11, and 16 minus 13. 8, 5, 3. When we put it in the Heron's formula, we get under root of 16 into 8 into 5 into 3 is equal to 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 3 into 5 into 3 under root of 2 to the power 7 into 5 into 3. We'll take the even power out, 2 to the power 6 into 2 into 5 into 3. So 2 to the power 3 under root of 2 into 5 into 3 is equal to 8 under root of 2 5 is a 10, 10 3 is a 30 centimeter square. This is our area of the triangle. Example number 2. What does example number 2 says? There is a triangular park ABC. Okay, has sides 120, 80, and 50. So let us take this one as 120, this one as 50, and this one as 80. Okay, a gardener named Dhania has put a fence all around it. So Dhania has, what he has done, he has put a fence all around the park. Okay, how much area does she need to plant? Oh, Dhania has to put a fence all around it and also plant the grass inside. And what he has to do, he has to plant a grass inside this triangular park. How much area does she need to plant? First, what we have to do, we have to find area and find the cost of fencing it with barbed wire at the rate 20 per meter. What we have to do, we have to find the cost of fencing. The rate of fencing is 20 rupees per meter. And what we have to do, we have to leave a gate of 3 meter for people to enter. Okay, this is our information given. We already know for doing fencing we have to find perimeter. because perimeter will be the sides of sum of all the sides. So to find fencing, length of fencing, we have to find the perimeter. So perimeter will be 120 plus 80 plus 50. It will be 250 meter. Okay, this is one thing. Then we have to find the cost of fencing. First, what we have to do, from this 250 meter, we have to leave 3 meter for the gate. So it will become 247 meter. This will be the length in which the barbed wire will be installed. So the cost of fencing is 20 per meter. So for 1 meter, the cost is 20 rupees. So for 247 meter, the cost will become 247 into 20 is equal to 4940 rupees. Okay, this is our one part. Next part is we have to find the area where he has to put the grass. For this, what we want S. S is P by 2. That means 250 divided by 2. That means 125 meter. Then what we want, that we want S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. S minus A is 125 minus 120, 125 minus 80 and 125 minus 50. So this will become 5, 45 and 75. When we put it in Heron's formula, what we get here is 125 into 5 into 45 into 75. When we put it in the factorized form, what we get here is 5 25 5 5 75 3 5 5 45 3 3 5. So what we get here is 5 to the power 3 into 5 into 3 square into 5 into 5 square into 3. We get here is 5 to the power 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 to the power 7 and 3 to the power 3. So we will take the even values out. That is 5 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3 root 5 into 3. So what we get here is, writing this here, what we get here is 125 into 3 root 15 is equal to 375 root 15 meter square. This is our area. Okay. Example number 3. Three sides of a triangular plot are in a ratio 3:5:7. What we get here is a triangle and the sides of the triangle are in a ratio 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. Perimeter is 300 meter. We have to find its area. We already know that the sides of the triangle are in a ratio and perimeter of a triangle is sum of all the sides. Let us assume that the multiple of this ratio is x. Therefore, it will become sides will become 3x, 5x and 7x. Okay, so the perimeter of this triangle will be 3x plus 5x plus 7x is equal to 15x, and this 15x is equal to 300. This is given, so x is equal to 300 divided by 15 is equal to 20. So we know that the multiple is 20, so we can find all the sides. 3x will become 3 into 20, 5x will become 5 into 20 and 7x will become 7 into 20. It is 60, 100, 140. Okay, so these are our sides of the triangle. To find the area of triangle, we need to have S. S is perimeter upon 2, that is 300 divided by 2 is 150. Then we have to find S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S minus A is 150 minus 60, 150 minus 100, 150 minus 140, 90, 50 and 10. So area will become under root of 150 into 90 into 50 into 10. When you factorize it, it will become 2, 7, 14, 5, 3, 2 the 6, 5, 5, 5 the 5 and the 245, 3, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. 50, 2, 25, 5, 5, 1. Okay, so this will become 2 into 3 into 5 to the power 2 bracket 2 into 5 into 3 to the power 2 bracket 2 into 5 to the power 2 and 2 into 5. So this will become under root of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 to the power 6, 3 to the power 1, 3, 3 to the power 3, 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 to the power 4. So we'll take out even term, 5 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 2. and 3. What is left here on the inside is 3. Here it is 125 into 4 into 3. 125 into 12. 125 into 12. 12 5 is 60. 12 to the 24 plus 6 30. 12 is 12, 13, 14, 15. So 1500 root 3, and it is in meter square. This is our area. Let us start exercise number 10.1, page number 134. Question number 1. So question number 1 says a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle. What does equilateral triangle mean? With a triangle who has all the sides equal, with side A. A, A, A. Find the area of signal board. We have to find this area of this signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, perimeter is equal to 180 centimeter. What will be the area of the signboard? First we have to find the area using A as side, then we have to find the area taking perimeter as 180 centimeter and find the area again. So we have two questions in question number 1. Let us find. What does Hero's formula says? First we have to find S, semi perimeter. So it will be sum of all sides divided by 2. That means 3A by 2. This is our S. Then we have to find S minus A. This will be equal to S minus B, and this will be equal to S minus C because it is an equilateral triangle. So 3A upon 2 minus A equal to 3A minus 2A by 2 is equal to A upon 2. Putting this is in Hero's formula, we get here is S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. This is our Hero's formula. When we put the values here, it will be 3A upon 2 into A upon 2, A upon 2, and A upon 2. That means under root of 3 into A upon 2 power 4. That means A upon 2 root 3 centimeter square. This is our one part. That means root 3 A square upon 4, the area of triangle. Then what we have to do? We have to find, we are taking perimeter as 180 centimeter. We have to find the area again. When perimeter is 180 centimeter, that means S is equal to P upon 2 is equal to 180 upon 2 is equal to 90 centimeter. Okay, since it is an equilateral triangle, that means 3A will be equal to 180 centimeter because A plus A plus A, sum of all sides is 3A. Therefore A is equal to 60 centimeter. So when we find S minus A, it will be equal to S minus B is equal to S minus C is equal to 90 minus 60 is equal to 30. When we put it in the Hero's formula, we get 90 into 30 into 30 into 30. Therefore it is equal to 3 into 30, 30, 30, 30 is equal to under root of 3 into 30 power 4 is equal to 30 ka square under root 3 is equal to 900 under root 3. This is our area. In centimeter square. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2 says a triangular side walls of flyover has been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement yields an earning of 5,000 rupees per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So we have to find? We have to find the rent that the company has to pay for using the wall for 3 months. What we have here is a triangular wall of side 120 meter, 122 meter and 22 meter. Okay. What else we have? We have earning. Earning is 5,000 rupees per meter per year. That means for using the wall for 1 year, the company has to pay 5,000 rupees per meter square. Okay, that means we have to find the area of this triangle. And for how much time the company is using the wall? The company is using the wall for 3 months. That is also given. That means 3 months is equal to 3 upon 12 year. So it will be 1 upon 4 year. Since the price is given in years, that means we have to find the period. We have to change the period into year. So it will become 1 by 4 year. Okay. Now we'll to find the area of this triangular wall. What we will do? We have all the 3 sides, so we will find S. S is equal to 122 plus 120 plus 22 divided by 2 is equal to 122 plus 120 plus 22, 264 divided by 2 is equal to 132 meter. Then what we will do? We will find S minus A, S minus B and S minus A. S minus A is 132 minus 122. S minus B is 132 minus 120 and S minus C is 132 minus 22. This will become 10. This will become 12 and this will become 110. So to find the area of the triangle, we will put these values in Heron's formula, where A is equal to S, that is 132, into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Again, when we factorize 132, what we get? 2 6 are 12, 1 6 are 2, 3 are 6, 3 are 3, 1 are 1 are 11, 1 are. 10, 2 5s are 12, 2 6 are 110, 2 5s are 10, 5s are 10, 5 11s are 11, 1s are under root 2 to the power 2 into 3 into 11, 2 into 5, then 2 into 2 into 3, then 2 into 5 into 11. What we get here is 2 to the power 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 to the power 6, 3 to the power 1, 2, 3 to the power 2, 5 to the power 1, 2, 5 to the power 2, 11 to the power 2. So we have all the even values. When we take out, we will remove the square. 2 to the power 3, to the power 3, power 2, 3 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, and 11 to the power 2. When we remove the square root, we will get 2 to the power 3 into 3 into 5 into 11. What we get here is 8 into 3 into 5 into 11. It is 1320 meter square. This is our area of the wall. So when we pay this, when we pay 5000 rupees per meter square, we have to pay 1320 into 5000. This will be amount 1320 into 5000. This is equal to 66 lakhs rupees. This is for 1 year. So for 3 months it will be 66 lakhs divided by 4. It is 16 lakh 50,000 rupees. This is our answer. Question number 3rd. Question number 3 says, there is a slide in the park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the walls are 15 meters, 11 meters and 6 meters, find the area painted in the color. So simply what we have to do, we have to find the area of this painted color wall. This is 15 meter, this is 11 meter, and this is 6 meter. So we have all the sides. We will just find out using Heron's formula the area of this wall. So what we have to do is we have to find S. It is 11 plus 15 plus 6 divided by 2. It is 32 divided by 2 is 16. So S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. S minus A is 16 minus 11, 16 minus 12 is 16 minus 15, and 16 minus 6. It is 5, it is 1, it is 10. So when we want to find the area, we will put it in Heron's formula, that is 16 into 5 into 1 into 10. It is 2 to the power 4 into 5 into 2 into 5. It is equal to under root of 2 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 2. That means 2 to the power 4 into 2 into 5 to the power 2. That means 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 into 2 into 5 to the power 2. So we'll take out the even values, 2 to the power 2 into 5, and remains other values inside. So 4 into 5 is 4 5 is the 20 root 2. This is our area of this park in meter square. Always remember to put the unit so that there will be no confusion. Sometimes they confuse by putting different units in question. Question number 4. Find the area of triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and perimeter is 42 centimeter. What we have is, we have two sides. Let us assume A is 18 centimeter, B is 10 centimeter, and we don't know C, but what we know is perimeter. So perimeter is 42. Perimeter of a triangle is sum of all the sides. That means 18 plus 10 plus C is equal to 42. C is equal to 42 minus 28. So C is 14. Okay, so now we have all the three sides and we have to find S. S is perimeter by 2 is equal to 42 by 2 is 21. S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. S minus A is 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10, 21 minus 14. It is equal to 3, 11, 7. When we put it in the Heron's formula, we get under root of S is 21. 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. Here is 3 into 7, 3, 11, 7. So what we have here is 3 to the power 2, 7 to the power 2 into 11. So area is equal to 3 into 7 root 11. 21 root 11 meter square, sorry, centimeter square. Question number 5. Sides of the triangle are in a ratio of 12, 17, 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. So again what we have here is, we have sides of a triangle in a ratio and perimeter is given as 540 centimeter. So let us assume the multiple is equal to x. 12x plus 17x plus 25x, sum of all the sides of a triangle is the perimeter 540. So 12 plus 17 plus 25 is equal to 54x is equal to 540. So x is equal to 540 divided by 54 is equal to 10. So x is the multiple. We have found 10 is the multiple. So what we get here is 12x is equal to 12 into 10 is equal to 120. 17x is equal to 17 into 10, 170. 25x is equal to 25 into 10 is 250. These are the sides of the triangle. When we get the sides of the triangle, we find S. S is perimeter by 2. 540 divided by 2 is 270. So S minus A is 270 minus 120. S minus B is 270 minus 170. S minus C is 270 minus 250. 270 minus 120 is 150. This is 150. This is 100. This is 20. We want to find the area. We put it in the Heron's formula. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here we get, when we factorize 270, 2 ones are 2 threes are 6, 5s are 3 fours are 12, 13, 3 15, 3 5 5 1. This is 270. Then 150, 275, 3 2s are 6, 5s are 5 5s are 5 1s are. Then 100, 250, 225, 5 5, 20. We'll put it as it is. So what we get here is 2 into 3 to the power 3 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 5 to the power 2, then 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2, then 2 to the power 2 into 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 to the power 6, 3 4, 3 to the power 4, 5 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6. We'll take out the even values. 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 3. This will become 125 into 9 into 8 to area is equal to 9000 centimeter square. Next question. Question number 6. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Now we have three information. First, this triangle is isosceles triangle. That means two sides are equal. Then we have the equal sides. What we don't have is the unequal side. Then we have the perimeter. What is the perimeter? It is 30 centimeter. We have to find the area. Okay. Again, the sum of all the three sides is the perimeter. That means 12 plus 12 plus C is equal to 30. So C is equal to 30 minus 24 is 6. So third side is 6. Now what we have to find? We have to find S is P by 2. That means 30 by 2 is equal to 15. Then we have to find S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S minus A is 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 6, 3, 3, 9. We have to find the area of triangle. We put it in Heron's formula. S is 15 into 3 into 3 into 9. The root of 3 into 5, 3, 3 into 3 square. We get here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 to the 5 or 5 into 5. We will take out the even value. 3 to the power 2 root 15. 9 root 15 in centimeter square. Area of triangle. Finished. So here we have completed chapter number 10 of class 9th, Heron's formula. This was a very small chapter. So I hope you have no doubt, because I have tried to clear all the doubts, and I've tried to explain it very smoothly. If you have any doubt still, then you can email me on ankitpublic11@gmail.com. Thank you.